Alright, you have Gus's food.
Yeah.
You gonna put it in his bowl?
Yeah.
Dump it in there. Good. Put it all in. A little bit more. Can I have it? Who's that food for, Ainsley?
Dusty.
Gussie?
Yeah. Dusty.
Here, let's go get him.
Dusty. Dusty. Dusty.
Where is he?
Oh.
Maybe he's outside. You think he's outside? Let's go out there and see.
See.
I know, she won't. Say, Gussie, call for him, he'll come.
Dusty. Dusty. Ah.
Did you give Gus his food?
Yeah.
Gus, look, your food.